Hello, friends. Welcome to Kids Hour. Today, we are learning about another amazing profession, the scientist. Hi, friends. Do you know what a scientist does? A scientist asks questions, looks for answers, and learns how things work. Scientists study plants, animals, the earth, and even space. Can you say scientist? Awesome! Scientists use special tools to explore and discover. A microscope to look at tiny things. Test tubes and beakers to mix liquids. Magnets to test what sticks and what doesn't. Goggles and gloves to stay safe. Let's pretend to be scientists. Put on your goggles. Now let's mix our pretend potions. Swirl, swirl, bubble, bubble. There are many types of scientists. Biologists study plants and animals. Geologists study rocks and the earth. Astronomers study stars and space. Chemists mix chemicals to make new things. Wow! So many cool scientists. Which one do you want to be? Scientists do experiments to test their ideas. They mix, measure, and watch carefully to learn what happens. Let's try a pretend experiment. Pour in the blue liquid. Now the red one. Whoa! It turned purple. Science is like magic but real. Scientists help everyone by discovering new things. They make medicine, invent technology, and help take care of our planet. And you know what? You can be a scientist too. Just keep asking questions and keep on exploring. Today on Kids Hour, we learned about scientists, amazing people who explore, experiment, and discover how the world works. Thanks for joining me, friends. See you next time on Kids Hour when we learn about another incredible profession. Bye-bye.